Welcome to Custom Pool Pro's customer story. Hear about our customers' experience and what you can expect from us. How do you like your new pool?
I couldn't be more pleased. It's such a, with everything blooming back here, and we have friends over all the time, family functions, any holidays or anything, it's always my house now. I love it. The kids, my kids are 19 and they love it. And I know when we go away, they have their friends over and they love it.
Yeah.
So.
What was your deciding factor for choosing Custom Pool Pros?
I've seen their work, which is absolutely amazing. He's shown me pictures, and I know some of the jobs that he's done, even, in this area. The work is just amazing. It's, incomparable. So there really wasn't another choice for us. We didn't want to do vinyl, or, we wanted the gunite, and we know that that's his specialty, so.
How was your experience when choosing options and materials for your new pool?
Well, the travertine is awesome because it doesn't get hot. As you can tell, I'm standing here on my bare feet and the sun's blaring, which is great. And the granite, we actually decided to do ourselves. I don't know that it was Tom's first choice, but we said that this is what we wanted. After we decided on that, Tom was actually like, wow, and he actually really liked it a lot too, so.
How are you enjoying your pool?
Well, I have 19-year-old quadruplets, so they make life interesting, 3 boys and a girl. But like I said, they have their friends over quite a bit, and it's just a party here. We've got the perfect backyard for it, and my husband and I love to have the kids here, and we'd rather have them here than out and about doing who knows what. But they have their friends over all the time, and they're all in the pool, and the heater gets a lot of use. So although we do get a lot of sun, in the dark gray of the pool helps to retain the heat, so that's nice.
How was your experience building a pool with Custom Pool Pros?
It was great. The guys are wonderful. They came and they worked every day. Even when it was 100 degrees out, they were putting in the work. And I was dying just watching them. Tom answered every single question that we had, and trust me, I'm really annoying. So, but he was fantastic about it. The guys that came to do the work were great. Everything went, weather permitting, as on schedule as it possibly could have. No complaints, none.
How do you feel coming home and having access to a pool at all times?
It's not our first pool, but the pool we had before was vinyl and came with the house. It was not what we would have put in. So now, as my husband likes to call it, I'm on partial scholarship because I only work part-time. And in the summer, I only have to work till 12:30. So you can bet your butt that I boogie out of there as soon as I can. I come home, throw my bathing suit on, wave to him as he's working in the office, and I'm right out to the pool.
Does the pool fit your family's needs?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. For us adults, you can't go wrong with the swim-up bar, can you? No. And the oversized hot tub, that's, when it starts getting cooler, especially at night, that's where you'll find me.
Would you recommend Custom Pool Pros?
Oh, absolutely. In a heartbeat. No question.
At Custom Pool Pros, our mission is to transform your backyard into a personal oasis through exceptional craftsmanship, transparent communication, and unwavering reliability. We pride ourselves on using only the highest quality materials paired with skilled artistry and an expedient work ethic to deliver stunning swimming pools that stand the test of time. From the first consultation to the final touch, we ensure a smooth, surprise-free process rooted in trust and clear communication. Let us bring your vision to life with a seamless experience that exceeds your expectations. Contact us today to begin a smooth journey to your dream backyard.